it, we'll have a de-stress session.
Ma'am, we are prepared and confident for the upcoming board exam. Thank you for your guidance throughout the year. But ma'am, I'm feeling directionless after my career after 10.
Oh.
I'm stressed, but I can't figure out my interest.
I guess there's nothing to worry. This is completely normal. Is there anybody else who is on the same page?
Ma'am, my goals are clear. I want to become an IS officer. But I don't have a plan. I know where to go, but I don't know how.
Ma'am, I have a vision for my career. I want to become a choreographer. But is that a career option?
I think I have the answer to all these questions, which is the CC cell, Career Counseling Cell in our school. It would be the right place for you. Let's go. Okay, beta, there are many ways to be an engineer, right? 10th class pass students can be an engineer too. But academically, if I will guide you, to be an engineer, first of all, you have to choose PCM, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, as your major subjects in class 11. And from 11th, you should pursue for the preparation of a very prestigious examination of India, that is IIT JEE, which stands for Indian Institute of Technology Joint Entrance Exam. It is conducted in two phases, JEE Main and JEE Advanced. If you clear JEE Main, you will be admitted to the most reputed colleges of India, that are NITs. And that is a scrutiny exam as well for IIT Advanced. So if you clear IIT JEE, you would be given a chance to appear for JEE Advanced as well. And if you are very good to crack JEE Advanced, then you would be admitted to the most desirable institutes for engineering, that is IIT. World eyes over IIT graduates because they are exceptional. Many of the major companies like Google, Goldman Sachs, Infosys, they all want engineers from IITs. Okay, beta? So I wish you all the best. Pursue your physics, chemistry, maths with all the endurance, all the strength. Best of luck for you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance.
Sir, I am Mali Goyal of class 10-5 and I want to be an UPSC, but I don't know what should I do after 10.
Beta, if you want to prepare for UPSC, then first of all you should know that it is the toughest and competitive exam in India. And if you want to get from UPSC class 11 onwards, then you should start from the NCRT. So luckily, if you talk about the UPSC exam, then most of the questions come from the 11th class NCRTs. So that's why it will be the right time for starting the preparation for UPSC.
After 10, from where should we start our preparation so as to crack UPSC?
But there is no need to go anywhere. In the Nosegay, we have already started competitions where we are providing the coaching of UPSC with 11th class. So from 11th class, you can start your preparation from here.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, Nosegay. This is Parth Agarwal, a student who spent 13 years of his life at Nosegay, learning, enjoying, and preparing for the challenges that life offers. The values instilled in me during my time at Nosegay helped me to get into BITS Pilani and now Flipkart. Thank you, Nosegay, for everything you have done for me, and keep up the charm for the future generations. Raja Beta signing off.
Hello everyone, I'm Ananya Gaur and I'm a student at University College London. I'm pursuing BSc Economics and I'm in my second year. I'm also the head of marketing at UCL Women in Finance and the academic events executive for the Economist Society. I graduated from Nosegay in 2021, and when I look back on my high school memories, all I can say is that I'm immensely proud to have been a part of an institution like Nosegay. I'm so grateful to all my teachers, to Nymphia ma'am, to Siddhan sir, for all the warmth and affection that they gave me. Nosegay not only taught me to think analytically, but to think out of the box and to discover my niche. I unraveled my passion for economics and politics during my long discussions with my teachers and my classmates. And here I am, writing for the official Politics and Economics magazine of UCL, the Economic Tribune. And not only academics, be it dancing, debating, or writing, Nosegay gave me an opportunity to follow all my passions. So, if you all are watching my video, firstly, I would like to congratulate you for being a part of such an incredible institution, and I would say make use of your high school life and avail all the opportunities and all the horizons that Nosegay offers you, and I wish you all the best in all your endeavors. Thank you.
Go.
Hi, I'm Abhishek D'Souza. I'm a third-year law student at National Law School of India, University, Bengaluru. I gave CLAT in 2020. I graduated from Nosegay in 2020, and since then I'm grateful to the school because it gave me a lot of opportunities while I was there. I graduated in 2020 when it was pandemic, but before that, the school I have been in the school for last like 13 years, and it helped me grow as a person. I developed communication skills, public speaking, and active leadership roles in the school helped me become who I am, and I'm grateful because these skills are very useful when I'm here at NLS. Thank you.
Hello and good morning everyone. This is Tavishi. I was with this school till my 10th standard. I now work in a bank which is the largest in Japan, and I've also studied in an esteemed institution. Nosegay being my first school has helped me in inculcating all the necessary skills, and have also played a key role in shaping me the way I am. I will always be grateful to this school in guiding me to the path to achieve my goals. Thank you, and I wish all the students the very best, and I hope for their bright future.